Hi guys, and welcome back. I have finally moved. I am in the new apartment right now. It's been 4 or 5 days since we actually moved. I found an apartment about 5 days before we had to leave the previous apartment. It was getting a bit stressful towards the end. I was like, yeah, I might have to go live with my parents for a while, which I didn't want because they're in a different city and it's kind of hard to find an apartment from a different city. So anyways, we finally found this place. We are very happy with it. It is in a very nice location. I have the river very close to the house, and you might be able to hear the waterfall. It's kind of a small waterfall. I have closed the windows, but you might be able to hear the constant in the background. Anyways, this place is really nice, and we do have the river, but we're still kind of in the middle of the city, which is really nice. We're very lucky to get this one. It is crazy to find apartments right now. I have tried to get probably like 50 different apartments, and we are very lucky to finally got one. But yeah, anyways, we're here. I have unpacked most of the stuff. It was such a process. Oh my god, I hate moving. It is exciting to... The only part that is exciting is to move to the new place and organize the stuff like you want them. But packing everything out, moving, cleaning the whole apartment, transferring all the stuff here and unpacking... It was a tough week. It was a tough week. But anyways, I thought it's time to finally unpack my own stuff because I can still not find half of my stuff where they are. I haven't really worn makeup in days. I thought I would just throw a simple look just to make me feel a little bit better, you know. But yeah, anyways, it's time to do this. And I thought, since I took you with me to pack everything, why not take you with me to unpack everything? You probably recognize this shelf right here. This used to be, well, it used to be in different places, but this used to be in my living room / kitchen in my previous apartment. Right now in this house it will probably live in my bedroom. The bedroom is quite an alright size, fortunately. The pricing and the size of the apartments are ridiculous. Like, you pay a crazy amount of money for very little space, basically. So we're very lucky that this is quite spacious apartment. By the way, I'm sorry if the lighting is kind of bad. I have the window right here and the sun has been going in and out all day. And also the sound might be bad too. I cannot find anything yet. So I'm lucky I found my camera and a tripod. Anyways, this is a corner of my bedroom. I think it's going to stay here. I don't have much space in the living room. I also don't want all of my stuff being in the living room. It can look a little bit too much, and especially if I have guests and stuff, I don't want them to look at like too much makeup that I have. Anyways, I have a pretty alright space here. I think we're just gonna start. I have to bring my Alex drawer here. I will remove this mirror from here, put it somewhere else, and I will probably have my Alex drawer here and this right next to it, or maybe this right next to the wall, and then the Alex drawer on the other side. We'll see. I think we can just start. I will, of course, be doing a time lapse because it will take forever. Alright, let's do it. Okay, it's looking really nice like this. I do like it, but there's actually a power socket right behind this, and I'm wondering if I need it or not, because it was cute to have lighting behind my stuff right here. It made it look really nice. I don't know. I kind of like it having the drawer in the corner. We'll see. I think I'm gonna keep it like this right now, and we will see. Ooh, why did it get so dark? Okay, starting off with my perfumes. I think I'm gonna have them on top like I used to. We'll see how it goes from there. Next up, we have palettes, blushes, highlighters and bronzers. This is a heavy box. Alright, now that the first box is empty, or the second basically, we have all, I think it's all the palettes right here, and most of my base products. Let's continue. Third box, we have lip products and eye products. Last box, we have a bunch of brushes, liners and nail polishes. Okay, so I finished all of the nail polishes, I just put them in there. Yeah, I think that's all I'm gonna do for today because I don't want to do anymore. And also my battery is about to die, so I'm gonna leave you at this. I did empty 4 boxes, so that's nice. Alright, thank you so much for watching. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you again in my next one. Bye!